Welcome to the Erasmus Plus Project DiTwin. To access our platform, go to ditwin.eu and click on DiTwin Platform. You can select your language from the right top icon. You will find the additive manufacturing, automation, and robot machine technician modules in all languages. You can download all lesson plans to use in your class before the live session. To book a session with our physical laboratories, you have to fill in the reservation form. The DiTwin experts will contact you to clarify further details. On the agreed date, you will join an online meeting session. You must have the AnyDesk application installed on your PC. It will give you control over the system. You are now ready to join the live session. To submit the reservation form, click on any module and scroll down. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it useful and inspiring. The DiTwin project is committed to making digital twin technology accessible for all vet schools. See you in the next module.